Imagine this. You're alone in a post-apocalyptic world with nothing but your handy-dandy zombie survival kit, and you stop for a drink. And then that's when you notice there's a zombie on his way to eat your brains, walking all slow-like because that's how zombies do. Perhaps you start to panic a little bit. After all, you're about to have your brains eaten. And that's when you remember, you've got a zombie survival kit. And you have a few ways to take care of that nasty guy. Option number 1 is to crack open one of the Lightsticks and throw it at the zombie to distract it. Except it's daylight, so the zombie's not going to notice or care. Option number 2 would be to slowly and meticulously unravel the included Mylar blanket with the hopes of sneaking up on the zombie, wrapping it around his head, and making a clean getaway. But let's face it, the odds of that happening are rather slim. The third and most favorite option is to grab the emergency hammer, gaze upon it with love and affection, walk up to the zombie, and bash its face right in. Introducing the 72-hour zombie survival kit. Perhaps it's not the greatest at disposing of zombies, but with 3 days of food, water, and other emergency supplies, it's great at helping you survive in emergency situations. Get yours today at cpr-savers.com.